is about rectangle tool. How to, after you have drawn a rectangle tool or make a shape, like here I have make a rounded shape, how to subtract from it in a short time. So you can see I have already made it. So your work is you don't want these things, this whole part to be here, not to be here. You just want this part to be white. So how you are gonna do it? So for this, let's just come to the rectangle tool again. Same color, the shape, pixel, everything is 0, white height is everything 0. You just don't even need to change any of these options. So what you will do is using the alter option. If you are here, if you click the alter, you can see the color is changing. Okay, so let's come to the eclipse option, and if you click alter, you will see the minus cursor here. So let's just click it and let's just drag down from here. The shape, this any shape you don't want to be here, click, just drag it. See, and let's come to there. See, it just happened. It is just easily happened within a short time. And if you just count it using the transformation tool, Ctrl T, you can see it's easily, you just make a shape. Another example I'm gonna show you guys. Obviously you will love it. Let's suppose I have just selected this. Well, it is just a little bit. Suppose you have selected this. Okay, you just want creative things. You just want to make a creative colors of it. So same thing you have to do. Let's just do the eclipse tool and alter, obviously, and just make it different. Oops, no, not this way. And just decide how much you want to delay it. Okay, wow, it's nice, it's equally nice. Now you can make a thing if you like to do as long as you want to make. This is how you can subtract the rectangle tail shape when you as you want to do. You may do. Thank you for watching. Thanks.